All right, hi everyone. Craig here from the Raise Up, and we're going to do a little recycling demonstration so folks know what can and cannot go in the recycling. The more we recycle, the less we have to throw stuff in the landfill, which is good for the environment and also can save us some money. So, typical things that go in the recycling bin are paper products like toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls. Simple plastic containers, like this one, they usually have on the bottom, I don't know if you can see that, they usually have a little triangle with a number in the middle, which means that they can be recycled, but they've got to be rigid. And again, simple plastic containers, those are recyclable. Egg cartons, also recyclable. Cardboard boxes. Now, when something has, you could throw it in the recycling bin like this, but if it's got some mass to it, it's best to flatten it, especially if you're sharing space with other folks. So I will demonstrate how to do that. You come down to the ground here with me, Esnida. Flatten. Okay. So now it's going to take up a little less space. If it's a bigger box, you actually can rip pieces off of it, sort of one at a time, and throw them in there. In either case, just try to lessen the amount of room that's being taken up just by space. Oh look, we have a beautiful... Okay, well now we're on the topic of plastic bags. These are not recyclable, so this should not go in the bin. Now if you happen to keep your recyclables in a plastic bag like so, that's fine. You can't drop it in the bin like that, because plastic bags are not accepted at the local recycling center and we all get in trouble. So, a little windy out today. What you can do is you can put your recyclings in a paper bag. Paper bag's recyclable in the bin. All right, plastic water bottle. It's got water in it still. If you've got containers with stuff in it that's not meant to go in recycling, like water, or especially if it's food, you got to clean them out first. But once they're clean, they can go in. Same for like pizza boxes. In general, pizza boxes can't get recycled unless they really don't have any grease or food attached to them. So I just had some yogurt in a glass container. It's nice and clean, so that goes in. So, what else? Another one of these bottles. You could throw it in like this. I don't know if the top is recyclable or not. To be safe, I'm going to put that in, and this will get thrown out. So to summarize, clean paper products, clean simple plastic that's rigid, no plastic bags, all different kinds of glass containers, bottles. Again, it has to be clean. And the one thing we didn't have an example of was like tin cans, aluminum cans, like a soda can, something like that. That can also be recycled, but those are also usually returnable, so you could actually get some money for those. The bin needs to be covered, needs to have the sticker on it. That's very important. They won't pick it up if it doesn't have the sticker. It should be covered so that the rainwater isn't ruining the recyclable materials. It needs to be out before 7 a.m. on the day of pickup, out on the sidewalk or by the curb. That's our quick explanation of how recycling works here. And of course, ask Esnida or myself if you have more questions about how to recycle properly. Thank you.